Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create what I call internal links to a page. The idea is that this document is relatively large. When I look at it on my screen, I have a lot of information. I want to be able to come from another page directly down here to Highmark. So as an example, if I go to Riverhound Soccer on my site, over here I see that it plays in Highmark Stadium. I want to be able to click on Highmark Stadium here and take me to my Sports Arenas page right down here. That, like I said, is called internal linking, and it's pulled off by using a property of all of your HTML objects, which is called the ID. The ID allows you to name objects. So I'm going to give the ID right here to this H2, and I'm calling it Highmark Stadium. It's named after a great insurance company here in the city of Pittsburgh. This ID names this location. It's like a nickname for a location in your city. You might name a particular park you go to the dinosaur park because your kid took a dinosaur there. Those are nicknames for you. I've just named this Highmark. This is now accessible both inside this page and outside this page. I'm going to access it inside the page first. I'm going to scroll up here to the top. I'm going to add an href. I'm going to say hashtag or #, depending on how old you are. Highmark, and that is the same name I used down there. And I'll give it something to click on. I'll save it. And when I take a look at it, oops, how should I do that right? Get rid of my space. There we go. Highmark Stadium is here. You see it's clearly not on my screen. When I click it, I jump down to it. The trick is the hashtag or the #, whichever you like to call it. This says, on my current page, find the location called Highmark. There are many locations on the page already. Like for instance, top is back to the top of the page. And this is already given to you in HTML. I refresh here and I scroll down. There's my top. I click it. Boom, I'm back to the top. Alright, so you may use as many IDs as you want. The trick on these things is they're case sensitive. Don't use a space and don't start with a number. My suggestion is to use one simple word that you remember. So like I used Highmark here. I could, if I'm silly, come up here and ID this and call it tomato. That's a valid name, but it doesn't make any sense. I'd call this PPG, etc. I'd name each one something that's real easy for me to remember. And no behinds. This ID tag, as I said, names this particular object. Later on, at some point in your HTML career, you're going to learn how to use JavaScript. And when you name something with an ID in JavaScript, you can control it. All right, so now I have Highmark and all these locations named on this page. And I could create links up here down to them. But it's more cool to come from another page. So I'm going to go back to my Riverhounds page. And here's Highmark Stadium. I'm just going to press enter a couple times just so you can see it. Let's surround this now with ahref. And when I go to my arenas.html page, hashtag, #, whatever you want, I'm going to link to that location of the page. Now you see the setup. Name of the page, hashtag, location. Alright, so now, when I look at the Highmark Stadium page, it's linked. I can make a different color, but you see the underline. When I click on it, I'm back in Highmark. This is a very useful tool if you want to navigate your person to a specific spot in your page. Many websites will, instead of having multiple pages like I have here, do what is called a parallax view. And as you scroll down, more content appears. It looks like multiple pages in one. This hashtag or target allows you to jump down to a specific location. All right, that's it. Thank you very much.